think she's coming?
Yes. Yes! 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 This is the reason we are here. So, please, Ferguson, can you do the needful?
With all pleasure. You know I love you so much.
I love you too.
I love this woman right here. She contributed so much into my life. And I will never take that for granted. I will forever hold you in high esteem.
Wow.
But unfortunately, I will not marry you today.
What?
What are you talking about, Ferguson?
I will not marry you out of pity or for compensation. I will marry for true love and affection. Marry me.
What?
She stole my heart away.
I beg your pardon.
And she's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Ferguson, if this is a joke, please stop it already.
This is not a joke. I have never been more serious in my life. Marry me.
No. I don't know you. I've never seen you before, Ferguson. What are you doing? I've never set my eyes on you before, apart from today. This is the first time I'm seeing you, and today is the first time you're seeing me.
Yes. You are right. You do not know me. But as soon as I set my eyes on you, I felt something special. And I would like to call it love at first sight.
No.
If you say yes to me today, I promise you, I will make you the happiest woman on planet Earth. Marry me.
No. I don't know him. I can't do that.
Marry me.
Your sister, I can't do that to you. Like, I can't.
No.
Marry me.
No. No. Listen, no.
Say yes.
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 No. It's just a dream. So don't worry yourself about it.
Exactly my conclusion.
After all, you've moved on with your life. And I'm very sure if he comes back now, you can never accept him back.
Me? Accept Ferguson back after what he did to me? God forbid.
So you see, we don't have to bother our pretty head about him. Let's just put that aside.
I'm not even bothered about him, just that
And I'm worried seeing him in the dream trying to engage my kid sister.
Like I said, it's just a dream. And the good thing about the dream is he did not succeed in putting the ring into your sister's finger.
Well, even if he did, I've lost interest in him.
So, can we change the topic?
What do you want to drink?
Now you're talking, but I don't want to drink, I want to eat. I'm very hungry.
My friend, go to the kitchen yourself, please.
No, you wouldn't do that. What do you mean? I serve you when you come to my house.
Please.
So do same.
Don't even try it. Just let
I'm
me.
hungry.
Let me be. Open the gate now.
Yes!
Compassion.
Attention!
That's it. That's it. I'm proud of you.
Thank you!
That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you! What are you still waiting for? Take it in now! You now have a graduate.
No, Mama, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you for giving me this. God bless you.
We thank God.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm proud of you. I'm so proud of you too.
Have you settled the right man?
Oh yes, I've settled you, right? Okay.
Come, let's go inside.
I can't wait to eat your food. My darling.
Hello, Nancy.
Good day, Mr. Duke.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so you said you wanted to talk to me about something.
Yes. Yes.
All right, so go ahead. What is it?
I love your friend so much. Yes. I am not just coming for a relationship. I am coming for marriage. Please, I would like you to talk to her. Let her see reasons to love me back.
Are you sure about this?
Very sure. Very, very sure.
Okay. I'll speak with my friend and I'll get back to you.
Please, I will appreciate that.
No worries at all. I will.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right then. So have a nice day.
You too.
Bye.
All right, bye.
You are still a good cook that I used to know.
Anytime, any day.
I was thinking by now you must have gotten yourself a cook.
A cook?
Mm-hmm.
I don't need a cook. You should know that I cook better than them.
I know you said that.
But that's the truth. That's the honest truth.
Mm. Sis, there's this guy I met during my personal from NYC camp.
Okay.
One thing led to the other. He's asking for my hand in marriage.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That's a good news. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Look at you. That's nice.
Thank you.
I'm happy.
Thank you. So he's demanding to go to the village to see our people. But I feel it's nice he comes to see you first. At least you know him. You see him, say who your sister wants to spend the rest of her life with. At least approve it because you have the final say.
Oh, sweetheart. You're such an angel.
Thank you.
I approve of it already. Believe me, I'm super excited for you.
Thank you. I appreciate so much.
I'll be more than the word glad to host your man.
Oh, thank you so much. So, is that yes? I should bring him home?
What are you talking about? Of course, capital yes.
Thank you, sis.
My goodness.
I'm glad to hear this.
I'm happy.
Thank you, sis.
Nancy, honestly speaking, Duke is the last person I want to talk about right now, so stop. Please.
Can you at least listen to me?
Well, I wish I could, but I can't.
Angel, you know you can't continue like this. I mean, to be honest with you, you really need to give love a chance.
Definitely, I will give love a chance, excuse you. When the time comes.
Okay, so
Please.
when is going to be the time?
Nancy, please, can we just change this topic?
Sure we can. But I would really appreciate if you sit with him. I mean, have a discussion with him. Pour your heart to him. I think that will make sense.
But I don't like... Alright, granted. If that will make you happier.
Of course, I'm happy already. So, should I tell him to call you?
Whatever. I hate you. You're too troublesome.
Oh, my darling friend. What are friends for if not to trouble each other sometimes?
How did it go?
She's still proving stubborn. But the good thing is she's ready to have a one-on-one conversation with you.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Where and when did she want the meeting to take place?
She would be in best position to tell you that. You know what? Just call her. She will let you know.
Okay. All right, I will do that.
No worries.
Nancy, I sincerely appreciate everything.
No worries at all.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're one in a million.
Thank you. I have to go.
It's all right.
All right then. Bye.
All right.
I'm going to make this straight and simple, just for you to know the angle I'm coming from. I will not date you. I don't want to have anything to do with you for any reason.
You see, I am not just coming for a date. I am coming for marriage.
Oh, please. All of you are the same.
All of us? How?
Of course you heard me. Aren't you a man?
Yes.
Of course you men can't be trusted.
I don't really understand what you mean by that, but can you...
What I'm talking about is, I don't want to date you. And that's some period. Can you please leave my house and now?
What?
Would you want me to call the police on you?
It's fine, it's fine.
Out, please.
I will.
That was wrong.
Please, you just stay out of this.
I wish I can, but I can't. The way you spoke to that man was wrong.
Well, he deserved everything he got.
I don't think so.
Well, I know so. Oh, precious.
What is this about you and men? Why this bitterness?
Please, I don't want to talk about this. Please.
The more you keep bottling this thing, the more it hurts. Why don't you just talk about it? The best way to let go is...
I said I do not want to talk about this. Please. Can you let go?
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Life is too short to wake up in the morning with regret and just rolling down my cheek. So, and I've believed that everything happens for a reason. Nobody ever said life is easy. Yeah. Nobody ever said life is easy.
Should I buy her gifts? No. She's a big girl. She won't need that. But I love her. I sincerely love her. What do I do at this point? I'll see to that.
Oh yeah. Pain is just a stepping stone in life. It's not a reason to step back. So I'm not stepping back. Oh yeah. Nothing works beating your life for pain that has made me stronger. Nothing works beating your life for pain has made me stronger. Tears that made me braver. Heartbreak have made me wiser. Thank you, past, for better future. Oh yeah. Thank you, past, for better future. Yeah.
See the way you're blushing. It's so spoiled. Okay, tell me. What do you want me to prepare for your man? What's his name, by the way?
Oh, his name is Chukwudi.
Chukwudi?
Mm-hmm.
Igbo guy?
Mm-hmm.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Which part?
Anambra.
Anambra? My goodness. My darling, you are lucky. Anambra men are so nice.
That's
They know
what
how to take good care of their wives.
That's what people say.
But that's the truth. Honestly speaking, you see one thing with Anambra man, he can go naked just to make sure his wife and kids are comfortable.
Oh, that means I'm lucky.
Extremely lucky. I'm happy
Okay.
for you.
Thank you, sis.
Tell me, what do you want me to prepare for him?
Okay, sis. You know your jollof rice is very delicious.
My salad is still good.
Oh, I prefer jollof rice. So let's do jollof rice and salad.
You and jollof rice, eh? I will.
Okay.
Okay.
Focus in! Hello, baby girl. I'm here already. Just come now. Ferguson. I'm very sure that was Ferguson I just saw. Where did he disappear to? Where?
Hold on, let me take this call. Okay. Hello, Nancy.
Hello, Angel. Guess who I just saw right now?
Who?
Ferguson.
That's not true. Where?
At the restaurant where I came to have lunch. He disappeared.
I don't understand. What do you mean he disappeared?
I was just about to run after him. Then I got a call from a friend. And I was distracted before I could go out. He has disappeared.
Are you sure you did not see a ghost?
Babe, come on now. Don't I know Ferguson? He's the one I saw. I'm very sure. You know what? I'll see you later.
Sis, is everything okay? Sis. Sis. Are you alright?
So this guy is still in this town?
Sis. Can you tell me about this guy?
I don't want to talk about it, please. Please. Talk to me.
I'm your sister. You can actually share this pen with me, please.
Please. That fool. That fool gave me a deep cut in my heart and left my heart bleeding.
I'm sorry about that. Please, can you at least tell me about it?
No need for you to sympathize with me. I am healing already. Please.
A problem shared is a problem solved. I insist you talk to me about this pain of yours. I believe by the time you speak to me, you'll be relieved.
Please, there is nothing to talk about. Just let me be, please.
You really must have hurt her badly.
Oh, please take your call.
Hey there. Oh, you're already in the estate. House 19 is our house. Oh, okay. Let me come out and receive you. He's here, so let me go out.
Alright, just go bring him.
Okay.
You mean she spoke to you in that manner?
Yes, she did.
So why then did she ask you to come to her place?
Maybe she want to talk to me face to face to tell me that she didn't want to have anything to do with me. Yes.
Oh my God. This is serious.
You see, Nancy, I love your friend so much. Yes. She's my kind of woman. I love her so much. Please help me talk to her. I will do anything to keep her. Please.
I'll keep trying.
Please do.
Yeah. And as for you, please, just be a bit patient with her. You know women, we are always like this.
It's all right. I'll try. Just help me out, please.
I will.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Where are you going? Let me drop you off.
Okay then, no problem.
All right. Let me bring my car.
Okay.
Adams, please get the gate.
Welcome to my sister's house.
Your sister must be doing very well for herself.
Oh yes, she's a typical example of what they say what a man can do, a woman can do much better.
I can see. Nice.
Okay, please, make yourself comfortable.
Of course. Thank you. Oh. Okay, I'll wait.
Chikud is here. What is going on? Why did you have to walk out in that manner? What is it?
I said, go and tell that moron to leave this place now.
Why?
What do you mean by why?
I mean, sis, that is my man. You don't address him in that manner.
Are you serious? So that's the person you've been telling me? Gracious God. Had I known that's the person you've been telling me about, I wouldn't have allowed him to enter this compound. Tell him to leave at once, else I will arrest him. I'm not kidding.
In all indication, you both knew yourself from somewhere. Can you not tell me about it?
Talk to you about what? Beauty, I am telling you to go down now and tell that moron to leave this vicinity, else you will go and bail him out from police station. I am not bluffing. Go and tell him.
Adams. Adams.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you see my man?
Yes.
So where is he?
He left angrily.
I don't understand.
Well, I saw him come out of the house. He was very angry, got into his car and he left. Hope no problem.
It's alright. Thank you very much. For the past 90 minutes, I've been asking her where and how she met Chukwudi. She refused to say anything. Could you please help me ask her where she met my man? Or how? Because I don't understand anything.
Angel, who is she talking about?
Nancy, this life is funny. You won't believe who my kid sister brought home to introduce to me as her fiancé.
Who did she bring?
No guess.
Babe, come on, I'm not in that mood. Just tell me, you both are confusing me. Who is the person?
Ferguson.
What? How?
I don't know.
I don't understand this whole thing. My man's name is not Ferguson. His name is Chukwudi.
He changed his name just to cover up his identity, thinking that I would not catch him. Little did he know that what goes around comes around. Hi.
Oh my God. Beauty. If what she just said is true, then there's a serious trouble. Oh my God.
I just don't understand this whole thing.
How? How is this even possible? Jesus Christ.
Can somebody just at least tell me what is going on? Right now, I'm confused. How did you meet him? I don't get it. At least, you both should just talk to me. I'm beginning to see this whole thing as a setup.
Beauty, there is nothing like setup. Absolutely not.
But it looked like it. Yes. I don't just understand. Oh, are you angry that I'm getting married before you?
What? Now, why would you say a thing like that? At first, when you told me that a man proposed to you, did I object to it? I'm asking you.
You did not.
The answer is no, that's it!
Yes, you did not voice it out. Who knows? Your heart could be deceitful.
No. Beauty. Now I disagree with you. I've known your sister for ages. And the last thing she can do is to be negatively envious of you. She can't do that. So please don't even go there.
Sorry. I'm sorry if what I said is wrong. But I need a detailed explanation to all this. I don't understand anything.
I do not have time for detailed explanation. Now you listen, Beauty. All I want you to know is that that man isn't good enough for you. He is a gold digger. And that's it.
I think it's better you stay back.
I have told you!
Out.
I beg your pardon. Now you listen to me. I am done having this conversation with you. That's it.
I love him. I love Chukudi. And nothing will stop me from getting married to him.
Beauty, you can't marry him. That guy is a no-go area for you. Listen to your sister.
I think it's time for us to let this whole thing to rest.
How do you mean?
I need to know what happened between you and Chukwudi.
He's the last person I would want to talk about. Please.
That was then. Now I'm involved. I deserve to know what happened between both of you. At least somebody should just clarify me. Tell me what happened. Bring me to know exactly.
All right. It's okay. Do you want to know?
Yes, I want to know. Tell me about it. I'll tell you. Good. I want to hear it.
This whole thing started. It all started when my company posted me to this town newly. My company gave me an apartment to stay, and I wasn't too comfortable with the apartment they gave to me. So one day I went in search of, a more bigger and more comfortable apartment for me to stay.
In that case, you're taking.
That's what it looks like.
So when are you moving in?
As soon as possible.
All right. In that case, we'll be needing a cleaner.
Exactly.
We'll hire some people to clean the place.
Yeah, because the inside isn't
it's not
clean. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have anyone?
Oh no, I don't have their numbers, but if we drive around the estate, we can get from their billboard.
All right, then let's go.
All right.
you?
Okay, madam, I'm here. I'm at the T-junction.
Hold on, are you the guy on a green t-shirt with Papa's cap?
Yes.
I'm in front of you.
Madam, good afternoon.
Now you be the industrial cleaner?
Yes, madam, it's me.
Yes, fine, Bobo.
Madam, money be fine, Bobo.
I know. So how much do you charge to clean a building?
Madam, it depends. If it's 2 rooms, I'll do 30,000. But if it's 3 rooms, say 4 rooms, I'll do 50,000 for you.
50?
Yes.
Yeah, it's much. I beg, let me pay you 35. It's actually 4-bedroom.
Madam, 35,000 will not do the job. Why? To buy the materials I need to do the magic now.
Yeah? So how much do you want to charge?
All right, madam, for your sake, let's leave it at 40,000.
That's what you want to collect?
Yes.
I beg, you did too much.
40,000.
Which material are you talking about? Is it not just area,
Madam, you don't know the materials I need to do all this so that everywhere will be sparkling. Don't worry. You see my work. It's too much.
Okay, no problem.
Yes,
it's all
madam.
right. So when are you starting?
I don't know. Anytime you want me to, I'm ready.
Yeah, right away.
Yeah, right away. No problem. You mean like today or tomorrow?
No, tomorrow. Tomorrow will be okay.
Okay.
So
what about the house?
I will test you the address, but it's just around the other street.
Okay.
It's inside this estate.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
All right, no problem.
No problem. I'm waiting for the address.
It's okay, I will.
Right. Take care, madam.
All right, bye.
Life is too short to wake up in the morning with regret and just rolling down my cheek. So, and I've believed that everything happens for a reason. Nobody ever said life is easy. Yeah. Nobody ever said.
Babe, I hope the industrial cleaner did justice to your apartment.
Oh, he tried.
I'm glad you like it.
Guess what?
What?
Can't you guess?
I can't guess. What?
I think I like him.
Angel!
I like him. You're my best friend. I won't lie to you.
I hope you've not asked him out.
Not yet, but I will do that very soon. What do you mean by what?
Are you serious?
Extremely serious.
No, you can't be serious.
Why?
Please, don't even do that.
I will.
You wouldn't dare. What is it?
Are you ashamed of me?
See if you knew.
Like the fine Bobo?
Madam, thank you very much for the extra money you added to my pay. I truly appreciate. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate.
Well, it's nothing. You did a great job, I must say. That's the reason I added extra money.
Thank God you saw it and you're appreciating it. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you.
Can I ask you a question, please?
Yes, now. You can ask me any question you want to ask.
Okay. Are you going to tell me the truth?
Madam, I like to tell the truth. Yes, so that God will keep blessing me with, more houses to clean. Maybe very soon I'll start cleaning the government house. Yes, now.
You're very funny. It's all right. Are you in a relationship?
A relationship? No. I'm not in a relationship.
Why?
Madam, you're asking why. You don't know what time it is. Madam, it is very expensive to sponsor a relationship in this time. Things are difficult now. Everybody is hustling. Anybody you talk to now, Bill. Hello, Bill. Hi, Bill. I love you. Final Bill. I don't want trouble, so I just stay on my own and focus on my business. Right now, I'm just focused on myself. I don't want to stress anything.
Wow.
That's what I'm doing.
I can see you really enjoy this your cleaning job so much. Okay, fine. Now, what if you find somebody who is willing to take good care of you? Will you go into a relationship with that person? You're not going to spend, the person will spend on you. Just all you need to do is just to love the person, and that's all.
Ha! Madam, who no like better thing. But please, oh, I don't want to enter trouble. So I stay on my own. I don't want to go enter a relationship that you keep spending and spending and spending, and I'll not spend anything. If something happens now and we quarrel, she will press calculator and say, Oga, your money is 20 million. How am I supposed to get the money from? That one is big problem. Oh. They will carry police and carry me. My whole life will scatter again. Please, oh, I just like to stay on my own. I don't want any relationship now. But I still don't know what God has in stock for me. So I'll just stay positive for the meantime. And keep hustling.
Oh,
Why did you ask?
Not to worry, maybe much later. I'll tell you.
Okay, now. Once again, thank you very much, ma.
It's nothing.
So how did it go?
It went well. Honestly, he's the kind of guy I want.
Babe, don't you think you're too in haste?
No, I don't think so. One thing with me is, when I see something that I like, I go straight for it.
So what's your plan?
Simple, to ask him out. What? What do you mean by what?
That will mean you lowering your class for him?
It doesn't matter.
If you take my advice, I will suggest you allow him ask you out. Then you accept so you can hold your pride as a woman.
Come on now. The young man might not have the guts to ask me out. So why wait? It's best I walk up to him and tell him, I love you.
You're not okay, girl.
I am okay. Jeez, he's what?
Don't even dare. Don't.
That's exactly what I'm going to do, young lady, so chill. You don't look good.
I'm fine.
That's not true. Your face doesn't show that you're fine. You're angry. What's the matter?
Well, I've got a little issue, but I don't want to stress you with it.
Stress me? Yeah. Come on, why would you say a thing like that? You're not stressing me. I'm here for you. In fact, say whatever thing it is and I'm here to sort it out.
All right. My friend who I'm staying with is getting married. And now he's asked me to go get myself a house and leave his.
Is that all?
Yes, I'm just frustrated. I don't know where to go to. I don't even have money to get to rent a house.
Why are you like this? How can you say you don't know what to do when I'm here? I'm living here all by myself. I'm just alone. And you are my boyfriend. In fact, it's high time you moved in with me, and that's it. At least for us to get to know ourselves better.
For real? You want me to move into your house?
Why not? You are my boyfriend. I mean, it's nothing.
Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will forever appreciate this. Thank you.
It's nothing. Okay? Relax.
Now I'm relaxed. As a matter of fact, I'm hungry.
What do you want?
I don't know anything.
Okay.
Is this how love feels? Oh no. Is this how love feels? I want to be in love. Another love that which you fear. I will always fear that which I love.
Good afternoon, ma.
Oh no.
Good afternoon, Ferguson. How are you?
I'm very fine, ma.
And where is my friend?
She's inside.
Okay, I'll see her.
All right, ma.
Everybody needs a little love. This is not a feeling, but a choice. It's not all about getting everything you want, yeah. I've tried to understand what is happening to me. I think love has come. I can feel the connection deep in my heart. Oh yeah.
Madam, you kept to time. First time in your life. Shame.
Excuse you?
Excuse you for what?
I always come on time. You are the one making me late for work.
I hear. Let's go, we're running late.
Okay. I saw Ferguson washing your car.
Oh, that's because it stays with me now.
What? Why?
Come on now. Reduce your voice. He has an accommodation problem. So you don't expect me to allow him roaming the street like that. So I brought him in.
Angel, you are bringing this guy closer to you too much and it is not good for you. How are you even sure he loves you?
That's a topic for another day. Let's go. Come on, smile now. Let's go, let's go. Let's go to work now.
Is this how love feels? Oh no. Is this how love feels? I want to be in love. I never love that which you fear. I will always fear that which I love. Oh no. Everybody needs a little love. This is not a feeling, but a choice. It's not all about getting everything you want, yeah. I've tried to understand what is happening to me. I think love has come. I can feel the connection deep in my heart. Oh no, oh yeah.
Ma'am, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. But please, first and first, stop addressing me as ma'am. My name is Angel. Okay? Oh, just call me Angel or any sweet name.
Any sweet name. Okay, ma'am, Miss Angel. Noted.
Well, it's cold in here. So I need you. I need your warm body all over my body throughout the night.
You have it.
I have it.
Yes.
Then come here. Why are you so far from me?
Huh.
Oh, come, sugar. Come here.
Wakey, wakey. Hi. Breakfast in bed.
Hi, sweetheart.
It's morning already.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much.
And I didn't want you to go to work late. So I had to hurry up and fix this.
Work?
Yes.
I don't even feel like going to work today. I feel like spending the whole day in your hands.
Same here. But I wouldn't want you to jeopardize your work because of me.
I know.
Just to enjoy your breakfast while I turn on the heater. So you can have your bath after this.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're so sweet. I love you.
I love you too.
Ferguson is exactly the kind of guy I want for myself. Honestly, I am deeply in love.
You did what?
Of course. I had fun with him last night. Guess what? He is strong and romantic.
Oh my goodness. Angel, why are you bringing yourself so cheap for this guy?
I don't understand. I'm not bringing myself cheap for him. I love him.
On the contrary, that is what you're doing. Oh. Now see, what you're doing right now will backfire soon. And don't say I did not warn you.
No, you would not. What do you mean by that? Ferguson loves me. Of course, and I'm sure he wouldn't take whatever thing we're doing for granted. Relax.
If you will listen to me, can you just give yourself some levels? At least be scarce for him. Let him be the one running after you and see how he values you.
Okay, you're now beginning to sound like a lecturer. Well, we've gone past the stage. But talking about being scarce, it doesn't matter if you're being scarce for a man. If he wants to cheat, he will cheat. It doesn't matter. All that matters is he loves me. I love him back. Chill.
Ha! Goodness me. Is this you?
Relax.
Really?
Very strong guy.
Yes?
I tried to pick them out for lunch.
Hey, wait. Come on now. I should be the one washing your clothes and not the other way around.
Well, there's no law anywhere that states that women should be the only ones washing clothes for their men.
I know. But then, I feel somehow seeing you washing my own clothes. No, now, come on now. It's not nice.
Give me one good reason why I should not wash your clothes.
Well, I may not have a good reason, but still, it doesn't sit well with me, honestly speaking.
I'm the one who decided to wash them.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't ask me to.
And I said you will not. Let me wash yours instead.
I insist. I'll wash your clothes.
All right, then we'll wash it together. Okay? So let me bring yours out.
Oh no, is this how love feels? Want to be in love. Never let
Hey.
that make you feel.
Babe, will you ever stop?
What did I do?
I mean, I should be the one doing this and not the other way around.
There is no law mandating women to always cook for their men.
I always feel defeated each time you say this.
But it's true. I mean, you have lots of loads on your head. The best I can do is help you out.
But I'm not complaining, am I?
You don't need to complain before I know I should help. Come on. Don't worry. Food will be ready soon.
You are one in a million. I love you.
I love you even more.
Thank you.
Oh no, oh yeah, yeah. At this point, this my choice to make it at this moment. Oh no, 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 no. Oh yeah.
Well, I've been meaning to ask you one or two questions.
All right. Go ahead.
Mm-hmm. First, I must say you are a very good cook.
Thank you very much.
So tell me, who taught you how to cook?
My mother. She was a very good chef.
Wow, your mom.
Yeah. My mom.
She must be a wonderful cook.
She was.
Wow.
She was.
So tell me, what's your level of education?
I studied computer science.
Okay.
Masters in computer engineering. I left school with a 2-1.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm still here because of, there's no job in Nigeria.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, but have you thought of any business? I mean, okay, let me put it well. Now, if you get the fund, is there any business you can do?
Of course. There are lots of business I dream of doing every day. Lots and lots of business. Yeah.
All right then. Why don't you draw your business plan? Present it to me. Let me see.
Okay. I will.
Okay. Nice. This is really, really nice.
Thank you.
You're still awake.
Of course, I was, waiting for your business plan.
Which means I kept you awake.
Yes, you did.
So sorry about that.
It's not, let's see what you have. Oh, you want to go into importation of babies' wears?
Yes.
So, how much do you know this business?
Well, after my service in Ibadan, I went to Onitsha to serve someone who was into the business. So I learned a lot. 4 years.
Wow, 4 years.
Yes.
Which means you know much about this business.
I know everything about the business.
I can see you wrote 18.9 million.
Yes.
Will it be enough to start up this business?
Yes, it will.
Are you certain about this?
100%.
You have it.
You mean you're going to give me the money?
Of course, I will.
I will be forever grateful for this. I will.
Businessman. It's not that.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's alright.
Let me allow you to do this.
It's okay. I'll still, study your business plan. You are good, man. You are good, believe me.
Thank you.
At this point, I think you're moving too fast, girl. You really need to slow down. How can you give a total stranger 20 million naira? What if he switch off his phone or better still run away with your money? What will you do?
That's because you don't know Ferguson. He's not that kind of a person, believe me.
Really?
Really, really. Ouch!
I can see this guy has eaten deep into you that you not see him as a perfect man.
Well, I never said so.
But that's how it seems. That's what you're displaying right now.
I love him. Please. I know what I'm doing, so chill.
You don't know what you're doing, girl. Yes!
I really do. All I want you to do is just to wish me well. Okay.
Of course you know I will always wish you well. It's just that I don't want this guy to break your heart.
Nobody's going to break anybody's heart, so take a chill pill. I love him.
Angel, are you sure about this?
100%. Okay, maybe not 100%, but at least 99.9.
It's okay. It's just that I don't want to tell you later that I want you.
Come on, stop it and be happy.
I'm happy, but
I'm in
20
love.
million naira? That's too much.
I know.
For a stranger.
It's just love.
Love. Okay.
Everybody needs a little love.
What are you looking at?
This is not a feeling, but a choice. It's not all about getting everything you want, yeah, yeah. I've tried to understand what is happening to me. I think love has come. I can feel the connection deep in my heart. Oh no, oh yeah, yeah. At this point, it's my choice to make you at this moment. Oh no, 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 no. Oh yeah. Is this how love feels? Oh no. Is this how love feels? to be in love. I never loved that which you fear. I will always fear that which I love. Oh no.
Why are you rushing like that?
I just peeped into my phone and I saw an alert of 20 million naira from you.
Of course.
Why? I asked for 18.9 million naira and you sent me 20 million naira.
I just added extra 1.1 million just in case.
Thank you. What? Thank you so much, babe. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now, what is all this? What are you doing?
Thank you.
Babe, get up. Oh, don't do this again, please.
How else am I supposed to show appreciation?
Oh.
How else?
Sugar, you are my man. You are not supposed to kneel for me. Please.
I guess I was just too excited. Thank you.
Look at you. You're shy. You are my man. Take charge. Come on.
I will.
Okay.
Thank you, babe. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Why is this guy not taking my calls now? Eh? What's going on? Hey.
What's the matter? Are you okay? You look worried.
I'm fine. I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm fine. Huh?
Alright, then let's go inside.
Okay, let's go inside.
Babe, I've been meaning to tell you something.
What is it?
I'm pregnant.
You're what? You're playing, right?
No, I'm not playing, but hey, if you don't want it, I can just remove it.
Oh, why would you say that? Of course I want it.
Really?
Listen, what we're going to do now is go see your people and start the marriage process. Our marriage process.
Whoa. Are you serious?
Of course I'm serious. I'm excited. Are you not? Babe? Babe?
Yes. Just feeling on top of the world. Do you know, I thought you were going to deny this pregnancy.
Why would you think that of me? Why wouldn't I want the pregnancy?
Gosh.
Of course I do. You know I love you so much. I've always prayed for you to be the mother of my unborn kids, and this is my dream coming to pass.
I love you much more.
Come here.
Oh, thank you. Oh. Not to you. Thank you.
God, let it not be that I have been duped. God, what will I tell Angel? What?
I guess you've been trying to get me on phone, but to no avail. Even if you try from now till tomorrow, you are not going to get me. Your money is gone, and I'm sorry it has to be you.
My God. My God. My God. My God. God, God.
My dear. What's the matter?
Has it been long you standing there?
No, I just came in now.
Okay.
What's the matter?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Mm,
I'm fine.
Now you're scaring me. You can't say you're fine and you're like this. What's the matter? Just tell me. Please share with me, okay?
I'm just trying to imagine what life will be when I start to flourish in my business.
That?
Yes, that.
That's a good thing. Come on, you scared me. Relax. Relax. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So, just let me tell you something. Very soon, everything will work out the way you wish. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, when are the goods coming in?
And in 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
That's a good news. Please say it. Come on, relax. Next time you'll travel to China yourself to get the goods.
That's a good thing.
Alright, just calm down. I need you to massage my neck, please.
Your wish is my command.
Oh, what's going on? Come on, this is unlike him. His phone is not always off. He has never switched his phone off for any reason. Gracious God. Now I just hope he's okay. I hope all is well with him. Gosh, what's going on? Focusing. Shit. It's obvious, honestly. It's obvious. The Ferguson duped me. Upon everything. Upon everything I did for him. Kaya. What will Nancy say? Nancy warned me about this earlier. Kai. Had I known I would have listened to Nancy. I'm so ashamed of myself. So ashamed. What will I tell Nancy? And to make matters worse, I'm even pregnant. Kai, I feel like the ground should open and just swallow me. God have mercy. Some men can be mean. Ferguson. He duped me. He made away with my money.
No. Chukwudi, I know, cannot do such a thing.
It then means you don't know the man you're going out with.
I know him so much to know what he can and what he cannot do.
In other words, you don't even believe my story.
Sister, I can't just believe what you said without hearing from him. Yes.
Beauty. Everything your sister said is true. So I see no reason why you're going to ask Ferguson.
His name is not Ferguson. My man's name is Chukwudi.
He's answering Chukwudi because of what he did to me. Obviously, he changed his name, thinking that I would not set my eyes on him again till eternity. He never knew that I would catch him someday.
I need to hear from him.
So, why then did you ask me to tell you my story?
Because I needed to know. I have every right. I deserve to know what happened.
And I'm telling you, the man you're about to mingle with is a cheat. Is a gold digger. He messed me up and I wouldn't want such to happen to my younger sister. I wish our parents were alive. They wouldn't allow you. I don't want you to make the same mistake. Stop.
I need to hear from him.
Excuse me.
Beauty, there is no need.
No, please. Just stay away.
I need to know exactly what transpired between you and my sister.
I do not want to talk about it.
Why?
Because there's nothing there to talk about. Absolutely nothing.
People, there are lots to talk about. I want to know. So you can't just keep me. You can't just keep me like this? Tell me what happened between you and my sister.
I do not want to talk about it. Or did she tell you something?
She do not want to talk about it. That means everything she said is true. She duped my sister and ran away with her money.
God forbid, I will never dupe your sister, not in this life and not in the next. I didn't do that.
Then what happened? Why don't you just talk to me?
It's a long story.
Baby, you know I'm a lover of long story. I deserve to know. Why don't you just talk to me? Tell me about it. I want to know.
Even if you cry from now till tomorrow, it will not solve the problem.
I know. I just need to cry. Cry away my soul.
You've cried enough. Alright? You need to take it easy so you don't fall sick.
Nancy, honestly, I need to be left alone. I don't know why. My own things are so negative.
Come on now. Nothing about you is negative.
You're not even seeing the obvious. I have not had a good relationship since I started giving love a chance.
Very soon you're going to have one. Ferguson is in your past. And I think you should leave him there. Why are you worrying about him?
I wouldn't have worried. Honestly, it's just because he's involved with my younger sister.
It doesn't matter. Just learn to let him be behind you. Forget him and move on.
You think it's that easy?
Try. You're going to try and let him go. Just put him behind you. Please.
Life is too short to wake up in the morning with regret and just rolling down my cheek. So, and I've believed that everything happens for a reason. Nobody ever said life is easy.
Although it's a document of the business I did with the money she gave to me. I was duped. It's all in there, nothing but the truth.
Nothing worth putting your life for pain that has made me stronger. Nothing worth putting your life for pain has made me stronger. Tears that made me braver. Heartbreak have made me wiser. Thank you, past, for better future. Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you, past, for better future. Yeah, yeah.
And why didn't you tell her that you were duped?
There's no way she was going to believe me. So I had to run, which was my only option at the moment. I had to run back to my old life and not bother her at all.
You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have, my love.
Well, I'm sorry.
No, you should have stayed back and deal with the situation. Running away makes it look as if you duped her.
Well, I'm sorry. I thought it was the best thing to do at the moment.
That apology should go to my sister, not me.
She won't even listen to me. She will not.
You have to treat. Yes. Let it be in the record that you tendered the apology and she refused. Please.
All right, fine. I'll do it. I will apologize to her.
One more thing. My sister know you as Ferguson, while I know you as Chukwudi. Can you please reconcile the two?
Hi. Hello, beauty.
Do I know you from somewhere?
Nope. Why?
How come you know my name?
I see. Your name is Beauty and you are beautiful.
You caught me there.
I'm glad I could get your attention, yeah?
So, what's your own name?
So which do you want?
I don't get.
I mean, do you want my native name or you want my English name?
Oh, that. In that case, I should know your native name because that will enable me know where you are from.
What a way to know where I'm from. Well, my name is Chukwudi.
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
you're Igbo.
Proudly Igbo.
Nice to meet you too. In that case, I should be calling you Chukwudi.
Of course, that's my name. So where are you headed?
I'm home. Just go a little for here. So
All right, I wanted to get some things there. Maybe I'll just take your number instead of going to get my card.
It's fine.
Huh?
You will not marry him, and that's fine now.
It is in my hands to choose who to marry and who not to marry.
And I'm telling you, you will not marry Ferguson. He is a thief.
I think it's the right time I set this record straight.
Oh.
My man is not a thief. He is a good man.
Really? Who told you that? Do you even know this man? I am talking out of experience. That's because I have lived with this man under one roof. And I am in a better position to tell you what he is capable of.
And the little I've lived with this man, the little I've known him, I can practically tell you who Ferguson is. He is a good man.
Oh.
He is not a bad person. He is not a thief. He's a very wonderful man. He did not steal your money. He was robbed.
Oh, really?
He attests that to me.
Oh, really? And you foolishly believed him. He said those things into your tiny little ears for you to believe him, right? Oh, no. Why am I even having this conversation with you? Girl, I swear, you no go marry him.
I go marry him.
Really?
See Ferguson. Alosigumya tinyejawa. I go marry.
Hey! You dare me? Excuse me.
If I were you, I would listen to my sister.
And why would I listen to her?
Ferguson is a bad guy. That guy is a very wicked person. He used your sister, dumped her, and left her miserable, knowing fully well that she is pregnant with his unborn child.
He did what he did out of fear and guilt. It wasn't intentional.
How do you mean?
He did not steal from my sister. He was duped.
Really? If he was duped as you claim, why didn't he tell your sister?
He was afraid.
Afraid of what, if I may ask?
The reason best known to him, I can't just start discussing that right here.
Beauty, if you will listen to me, I will advise you put an end to whatever you have going on with him. That guy is a bad guy. You get there are other men out there. Why Ferguson, if I may ask?
That man is the perfect man for me. And nothing in this life will make me ever stop loving him.
Okay, excuse me. I'm not done. Now let me ask you. How do you think your sister will feel knowing full well that her younger sister's husband is the same man who broke her heart?
How she feels is none of my business. That is her business. Excuse me.
Hold on. Put yourself in her shoes. How will you feel?
Point of correction. I can never be in her shoes. Excuse me.
Why didn't you tell her you were duped?
It was hard for me to say.
Oh, shit. That was a grave mistake on your part. Angela was heartbroken.
I'm sorry, but it wasn't intentional.
But the problem is she doesn't want you to marry Beauty.
Why?
You already know why.
Because she thinks I'm a criminal.
Exactly.
Of course I'm not a criminal. Things happened and we got separated.
Well, I will advise you meet with Angel, sort things out with her, explain all this to her. Maybe she will understand.
Yeah, I have plans to go see her this evening. I just want to get home first, freshen up and then go to her place.
That would be very nice. Please do.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Adams! Adams! Open the gate, I'm going out.
Big Madam said I shouldn't open the gate for anybody.
Don't get. Open this gate right now! I'm going out! Your gate man said you instructed him not to open the gate for me.
I did.
May I know why?
That's because I didn't want you to go out to see Ferguson.
And who told you I was going out to see Ferguson?
Because I know that's where you're going. And I will do everything within my power to make sure you don't see that young man again.
And then let me let you know that nothing in this life will ever stop me from seeing Chukwudi. And that includes you. So please, tell your gate man to open the gate for me to go out.
No, madam. I will do no such thing. Let me ask you, Beauty, what do you know about love? I'm asking you. Is it because you just graduated? Soon you will realize that that man doesn't have love for you. All he wants is your body.
Then
and that's
Allow me to worry about that.
I will not allow you. I will not allow you to make the same mistake I made.
Oh,
never.
It's about your mistake. Then allow me to make the mistake. It's going to be my mistake. Allow me. Please. Tell your gate man to open the gate for me.
Come and carry me. You are not going anywhere and that's on period. So you better get inside. Of course, I know it will always be difficult for you to grasp with. My friend, get inside the house and relax. Do better things with your time and not you going out to see who? A man.
I can't remember being your daughter here. I am your younger sister. And I have every right to do what I want to do. To see whoever I want to see. Really? Now tell your gate man to open the gate for me. If you don't want me in your house, I will leave.
Are you done preaching? Let me remind you that since we lost our parents, I've been the one taking good care of you. Get inside, my friend, and go and relax. What's all this? Are you done making my clothes?
Yeah, I'm still at home.
She's not picking. Let me call her again. Why is she not picking my call? What is all this? Eh? Let me even pack and concentrate before I'll meet. She's not picking my call. What's all this? Eh? What is all this? It's okay. Let me go. It's fine. I'll keep trying.
Thank God. Your friend is certainly looking for my trouble. And I will give it to her the way she wants it.
What did she do?
She told her gate man not to let me out of her compound. What for?
And why did she make such order?
Because she feels I was going out to see Chukwudi. I mean, is it my fault that she had a failed relationship? Is it my fault?
Well, it's not your fault and neither is it her fault.
Then tell her to give her gate man the right instruction. You should open that gate for me to go where I want to go to. I am not her slave.
Okay, where is she?
In her room.
I'll speak with her now. Excuse me. Babe, come on now. Why are you doing this?
Doing what?
Allow her go out. She's no longer a child.
Nancy, you better stop this, please. Stop it. You will not understand.
So if I cannot talk to you as your best friend, who else will talk to you?
Stop! What are you doing now? Why are you trying to break the gate?
What do you look like I'm doing? I'm breaking the gate.
Don't!
Since I can't go out from this house, I'll break the gate and I'll go out.
Wait, lady, I'm opening. Stop! Stop this thing!
What is wrong with you?
Stop this thing you're doing now!
Don't ever stop me again. If you stop me again, I bet you I'll break your head with this.
Please, don't come and spoil my day. I'm begging you, Nancy, please.
Okay, just this last time, I promise I will not interfere again. Just allow her go out.
You don't even know what you're talking about. What's that? Where's that noise coming from?
I think it's from your compound.
That's not possible. Is that beauty?
Hold on. I just now. Babe, just open. Allow this girl go out.
Now what's going on there?
Hey! Beauty, stop it!
Stop that rubbish! Beauty!
Yes!
Don't allow me to beat you!
Then beat me!
I'm warning you!
I'll break this gate!
Oh really?
Yes, I will break it!
Out of me!
No,
Yes, I will break it!
Angel, please. You can't do this.
Do what? My sister is not stepping her foot out of this compound.
I will get out of this.
Oh really?
Yes, I will.
No,
I will break you.
Quiet!
No, and I will go out.
Beauty, hold on. Hold on, she's going
No,
to
let her open the gate. I will break this gate.
open the
Don't even talk to me! Listen, I'll beat both of you join!
Okay.
You are not going anywhere.
I will.
Oh really?
Is it this gate? I will break it and I will step out.
Do you know how much I bought this gate?
Okay, then open it.
This gate is very expensive!
Then open it. Open the gate for me. Let me go out.
She will.
Am I in prison?
Just calm down.
What is this?
Angel. Wait.
Why the gate?
Hold on. Yeah. Can you just please calm down? While I go speak with her to give you the key.
She should bring the key.
She will. Just hold on. If she doesn't,
I will break this gate.
Beauty, you cannot do that. Just hold on. And you, make sure she does not break the gate, okay?
No.
Let me have this.
No, you can't. I can't give it to you.
I'll get you the key.
No, let them get the key.
Okay. Just hold on. I'm coming. Angel! Babe, come on now. Just get the key for her. Don't break the gate. Angel! 2 minutes. Angel.
2 minutes!
Angel.
2 minutes or I'll break this gate! What is it? Am I your slave? I'm only your sister, not your slave! Am I in prison?
Angel, what is the meaning of this now? Can I have the key? I need to open the gates.
Excuse you. Now you listen, I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to make me do what I do not want to do. And you better stop.
And you know she's not a baby.
Oh, really?
You cannot keep locking her in against her wish.
That's my younger sister. The only language this girl understands is action, which is what I'm doing.
But you cannot keep fighting your sister because of a man. It is wrong.
I beg your pardon. Nancy, don't you ever talk to me in such manner again. And for the records, I am not fighting my sister over a man, never. I am trying to save her ass from a vampire.
But there are better ways to do that.
Oh, really?
Must you alert your neighbors all the time?
Which of them came out? I'm asking you. Which of the neighbors came out? You better keep quiet.
You know what? If you don't want to give her the key, I'll take it myself. Excuse me.
I will just allow you to do what you want to do. That's because you are my friend. Hey, girl. You are crossing your boundaries. Friend, this.
My love, I don't want you to fight with your sister because of me.
Baby, I tried not to. But at a point it was inevitable, so I had to give it to her.
It's not necessary. Trust me, it's not.
At this point it is. What is it? See, whatever she wants right now, I will give it to her the way she wants it.
What does she really want? Just what?
She doesn't want me to marry you.
How? She's in no position to decide who you get married to.
Exactly my point. Exactly my point.
It's alright, my love. I'll come to the house this evening to trash all this. I just want to get home and then freshen up and then we can go there.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
It's alright.
Shit.
It's alright.
What's going on here? Who allowed you into my house, please?
Queen, I want us to talk.
Who is your queen? My name is Angel.
I know you are my queen. Please, can we talk?
That's not an answer to my question. Who allowed you in?
Oh, the gate man did.
That's not true.
Yes, I've lied to you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Adam! 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 Who allowed this man into my house?
Not me. It's not me.
My queen, he did, I love you, my queen. Yes, you mean a whole lot to me. I want you to give me a chance in your life. Please.
You don't even know what you're talking about. You love who? You don't know who you love. My friend, who allowed this man into this house?
Madam, he has been begging me for weeks to come inside the house.
Oh, you are now the boss of my house. You allow people in and out as it pleases you as the boss, right?
No, madam.
Please, I apologize on his behalf. Please.
Will you stop? If you know what's best for you, take this man out this minute, starting from now.
Okay. Let's start going.
Queen, please.
Let's go. Please. I don't want to lose my
Out of my house!
Just hold on, please. Please.
Drive him out!
It's okay.
It's alright.
Life is too short to wake up in the morning with regret and just rolling down my cheek. So, and I've believed that everything happens for a reason. Nobody ever said life is easy. Yeah. Nobody ever said life is easy.
Why are you disturbing the neighborhood now?
What do you mean by that? Open the gate.
I can't. Madam said you should not enter this compound again.
Listen, I have a message for your madam. So open the gate.
You have a phone. You call her now. Call her on the phone.
Hey, I'm at your gate. Your security man will let me in. I'm outside the gate.
Small madam.
What's going on?
He is trying to get into the compound.
From you open this gate?
Big Madam said you shouldn't come.
Stop talking and open the gate immediately. Don't be stupid.
Don't believe
My
it.
friend, open this gate, my friend.
Wake up in the morning
He's making
with
noise.
regret, and just rolling down my cheek. So, and I've believed that everything happens for a reason. Nobody can ever say life is easy. Yeah, yeah. Nobody ever say life is easy. Oh yeah, yeah. Pain is just a stepping stone in life. It's not a reason to step back, oh. So I'm not stepping back. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Nothing worth putting your life for pain that has made me stronger. Nothing worth putting your life for pain has made me stronger. Tears that make me braver. Heartbreak that made me
No, no, no! What do you mean by... Hold on! After everything you did to me, and you realized that this is my kid's sister, you heard the names, the infantry to come into my house. How?
I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry for everything I did. Sincerely, I am.
Oh, you were sorry. I should just forgive you because you were sorry. What do you take me for? Mary Celeste? Or Jesus Christ, where you go to the church and ask for mercy and he will forgive you at once? No! I am Angel, but not Angel Michael or Gabriel. I do not need your apologies, so keep it to yourself, all by yourself.
I know you do not need it. But I will and must tender. Listen, I did not steal from you, as Celeste. I was duped. That's exactly what happened.
You were duped. Yeah. Just like that, you were duped. Your explanation is dead on arrival. Just like the way your child in my womb died on arrival. Ah! Focus in. Just take a look at you. What did I not do for you? I treated you well. I made you look like a king from head to toe. I did not allow anyone to insult you. I made you everything that you feel you are today. You didn't care. Immediately the money got into your pants and that was it. You disappeared. You didn't care about the child I carried in the womb for you. No!
Listen, I can pay you back double of what you give to me right now. Right here and right now. I will pay you if that's what you want.
And you will still pay me back. Our child that I killed out of shame. I killed the child because I couldn't have brought the child into the world for him to keep asking or her, where is my dad? No, out of shame. I killed our child and it didn't matter to you. And who told you I need your money? I'm asking you, who told you that I need your money? I'm asking you, focusing. Sister,
Please, what exactly do you want? You don't want your money. This whole thing is at the past. Right now, what exactly do you want? Please, just talk to me, okay? Talk to us.
Good question. I want him out of your life and out of our house now. I swear if you don't go out, what I will do to you, you will not forget it in a hurry.
I came here for us to make amends. I want to fix this.
Are you still talking?
Please, sister.
I want to say word, I'm asking you.
No!
No, get out! Get out! Take him out of the space, I'm not kidding! You don't get it, do you? You don't understand how I feel! And I don't want you to be in my shoes! He's a vampire! He's a gold digger! He's wicked, a cheat, a bastard, an animal! You don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what I've been through. Fine girl.
My sweet friend. I can see you're watching your favorite TV program.
I love it. I love this program so much.
I know, right? Well, it's obvious you don't know what is happening now.
Don't tell me you're getting married. Tell me what's going on. Tell me.
I wish. Beauty, your younger sister, took Ferguson to your village for introduction.
No, that's not possible.
It is done already. It's official.
I'm telling you it's not possible and you're saying it's official. How?
That is because I saw it on her WhatsApp status.
No, hold on, that's not true. That's not true.
But I can't see anything. I can't.
That's because she blocked you. But yeah, I saw it. It's on my phone.
Beauty blocked me.
Hello?
Now you listen to me, Ferguson. I want you to stop whatever thing you think you are doing. I want you to stop it right now.
Who's this?
My name is Angel Ifunanya Obiaso. I said, I want you to stop whatever thing you were doing with my kid's sister right now.
I've crossed the Rubicon with your sister.
I don't care! I don't care where you have gone, how far you've gone. I said you better stop it right now. That's what I'm talking about.
There is no going back.
You will do it.
I will
Ferguson,
do no
you will
such.
do it. I swear to God, you will do it. He hung up on me.
Angel, you cannot continue like this. It's obvious Ferguson and your sister, they've decided what they want, and not even you or anyone can stop them.
What are you talking about? Have you lost your mind? You don't know what you're talking about.
Listen, Angel. You have to get used to the fact that this guy now belongs to someone else. Okay, just let it go.
Nancy, are you for me or for them? I love him.
I know you do, but you need to deal with the truth. He doesn't love you. He belongs to someone else now, your sister.
Now I hate the way you are sounding. Believe me, you are getting me angry. I swear, you know too well that I love this.
Angel, can I advise you as your best friend? Let this guy go. I mean, just move on with your life. See, Duke is in love with you. This guy does not even want a relationship. He wants to marry you.
Stop! Stop it! I've had enough. You can go ahead and marry Duke. I don't love him. So you stop.
You don't have to love him now. You need to give him a chance, get into a relationship with him. With time, you're going to love him, I promise you. This guy is serious.
Nancy, I don't want to ask you to leave my house. Please don't push me.
Don't push me. Just think about it. Please.
Duke! Okay.
I will always love you.
Thank you.
I am here for marriage, not just relationship.
Wow. Nancy told me.
This is the moment that I've eluded me for a very long time. And I don't want you to sleep any longer.
So soon?
Yes. Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Whoa, that's more like it.
Why did you get here?
It doesn't matter. He's waiting for that special hug. Come on. Come on! Oh, congratulations, girl! I'm so happy for you.
Come here.
I'm so happy, girl. I love you. Congratulations. Oh my God. My girl is taking. I know. It's so beautiful.
Come here.
Thank you. And that's my in-law right there.
Life is too short to wake up in the morning with regret and just rolling down my cheek. So, and I've believed that everything happens for a reason. Nobody ever said life is easy. Yeah, yeah. Nobody ever said life is easy. Oh yeah, yeah. Pain is just a stepping stone in life. It's not a reason to step back, oh. So I'm not stepping back. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Nothing worth putting your life for pain that has made me stronger. Nothing worth putting your life for pain has made me stronger. Tears that made me braver. Heartbreak have made me wiser. Thank you, past, for better future. Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you, past, for better future. Yeah, yeah.